In the world of interior design, finding unique and captivating elements to enhance your decor is a constant pursuit. One such element that can infuse your space with natural beauty and grace is a floral mirror. These mirrors, adorned with delicate floral designs, not only serve as functional reflections but also bring a touch of nature's elegance into your home. In this video, we will explore the enchanting allure of floral mirrors and how they can elevate your decor by seamlessly blending nature's grace with the artistic craftsmanship. Hi everyone, welcome to another design video. In each video, I am going to review some key designs that you should keep in mind when you are thinking about renovating or decorating your space. Today we will share with you how to elevate your decor with floral mirrors. Floral mirrors offer a way to bring the beauty of nature's indoor. The intricate floral patterns, delicately engraved or painted onto the mirror's frame, capture the essence of blooming flowers and lush foliage. By incorporating floral mirrors into your decor, you can create a sense of tranquility and harmony, allowing nature's grace to permeate your space. Floor mirrors are not only decorative pieces but also serve as focal point that add visual interest to your room. The intricate floral motifs and designs create a captivating centerpiece, drawing the eye-catching and becoming a conversation starter. Whether placed in the entryway, living room, or bedroom, floor mirrors effortlessly become a stunning focal point, adding depth and personality to your space. Floor mirrors exude an aura of elegance and sophistication. The delicate floor patterns and intricate details add a touch of refinement to any room. Whether your decor lends toward traditional, vintage, or even contemporary style, floor mirrors can seamlessly integrate and elevate the overall elegance of your space. Mirror are known for their ability to reflect light and create a sense of openness. When combined with floor designs, they take on an even more enchanting role. Floor mirrors not only reflect nature's light but also enhance it with whimsical charm of flowers. Placing a floor mirror strategically can brighten up your space, create a welcoming ambience, and infuse it with a gentle and inviting glow. Floor mirrors offer versatility in their placement and applications. They can be hung on wall, lean against furnitures, or even used as the centerpiece on table. In addition to their decorative values, floor mirrors can also serve functional purposes such as vanity mirrors in bedrooms or statement pieces in bathroom. Their versatility allows you to experiment with different ways to incorporate nature's grace into your space. Now we conclude that floor mirrors have the power to elevate your decor by seamlessly blending nature's grace with artistic craftsmanship. With their ability to embrace nature's beauty, add visual interest, and enhancing elegance, reflect nature's light, and offer versatile decorative accents. Floor mirrors are a perfect choice for those who seeking to bring a touch of nature's charms into their living space. So consider incorporating floor mirrors into your decor and let the beauty of blooming flowers transform your space into a sanctuary of tranquility and grace. Thanks for watching my latest video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, write a valuable comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.